I want to be a PA because I want to help people.
I want to be a PA so I can work in different specialties.
I want to be a PA because I want to have a good work-life balance.
I want to be a PA because I want to make a difference in the world.
So what are physician assistants? PAs are medical professionals who diagnose illnesses, develop and manage treatment plans, prescribe medications, and often serve as a patient's principal healthcare provider. They practice in every state and in every medical setting and field, improving healthcare quality and access. But you may be wondering, how did the profession come about? Well, they came about from the original models of Felshers from Russia and barefoot doctors from China. And the very first PA program was developed in the US by Dr. Eugene Stead at Duke University.
You may be wondering, what are the steps to get into PA school? Well, first you must earn a bachelor's degree and meet all the prerequisites required by the school that you're applying to. You must pay attention to your GPA, make sure you're exceeding the minimum requirements, take the GRE examination, as well as it's strongly encouraged to get patient contact experience either as a medical assistant, nurse technician, EMT, or scribe, as well as get some volunteer work. Make sure to apply early, exceed the minimum requirements requested, submit all of your transcripts, and make your personal statement personal. And when should you do all these steps? As early as you can. If you are granted an interview at one of the PA programs, first off, congratulations. Some tips are, for the interview process, is to first research the program, research the staff there, research the PA profession itself. If you can, do some mock interviews prior to. Talk to some of the students that are already in the PA program there. And most importantly, be yourself.
So you may be wondering what it takes to be an exceptional PA. To be an exceptional PA, you should be a problem solver. Every day you'll show up to work with a plethora of issues, and you'll need to use your clinical knowledge and ethical judgment to take good care of your patients. You should also be a team player. As a PA, you get to be an integral part of the healthcare team. So you have to be prepared to work with a supervising physician, nurses, techs, and other healthcare professionals. As a PA, you should also be warm and kind. Physician assistants are the bridge between doctors and patients. You must be compassionate and empathetic towards your patients. Exceptional PAs are also eager to learn and curious. You have to be prepared to ask your supervising physician questions about the patients you're taking care of. You should show up to work every day ready to learn. You should be able to manage stress well. PA school is no walk in the park, and neither is taking care of a critical patient with your healthcare team. PA programs are usually 2 years, which is like squeezing 4 years of medical school into 2. You should be prepared to feel like you're drinking out of a fire hose.
Do you want a field with an amazing job satisfaction? Well, lucky for you, physician assistants have some of the highest job satisfaction in salary, workload, and workplace relationships. That's why the U.S. News and World Report ranked the profession as #1 best healthcare job in 2019. Worried about trying to find a job? The Bureau of Labor Stats ranked it as the fifth fastest growing job in America. In fact, 76% of recently graduated PAs ended up receiving multiple job offers. The PA field is expected to grow more than 30% before 2024. Now there are over 115,000 practicing PAs in the U.S., seeing over 449 million patients a year. So come join us in one of the best healthcare professions out there.
Come join us!
Often serve as a
To drink out of a fire hose.
Programs. Nope.
Come join!